Show you how to change the filter on a model air purification WeldClear. You usually have two lights up here. The green light indicates the motor's running. The red light will indicate when the filters are dirty enough to be changed. You do come in, turn it off. Your hands will nowhere be near the blower. The blower's up in this section. Pull the pin that holds it shut. Open your panel and get your access to the filters. You loosen your filter retainer bar here, slide it sideways, and it'll all come down in a group. Now in this case, as we change filters, we only change one. We change the dirtiest filter, which is the outside filter. And when you do that, you take the dirtiest filter out, you slide the other filters over, and you put a brand new filter. Make sure you watch which way the airflow goes. If you look at these banks, and put it vertically also, where the pleats are up and down, wire to the back. If the arrow's not there, the wire is always in the back of the filter. Line them back up together as a group. They slide up in there together. Put your filter retaining bar back over. Get them lined up. Lock your filter back in place. And when you do this side, it's just the opposite. Your cleanest filter will go on the outside here, or your cleanest filter goes on the inside. The outer filter is the one you change first. They just walk out as they get dirty. Each time the light comes on, you come over and you change the filters. Now, more than likely when the light comes on, you'll change the filter and the light will go off if it's running, but you still need to change all four outside filters. There's a bank of 3, 3, 3, and 3. So there's 12 filters total in this unit. And that's all there is to it. And you put the pin back in.